Guys, today in front of me MOTOROLA Moto G Pure, and I'll show you how to change screen recorder quality on this device. Now first you should just open the settings application and then scroll to the display section. Then scroll a little bit more down and tap to screen record. Here you'll see the resolution section, so we can switch the quality from 720 pixels to 418. And also get one more way how we can just launch the screen recorder settings. We should first open notification panel shortcuts, and after that you should find here the screen record icon. Just hold for a while this icon by this way, and now we'll just launch the same screen record settings. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.